Hey everybody. Y'all, I am on a stricter time schedule as it pertains to eating than my dude number one. And he taking all day to come in here, honey. So I have to start without him. Not to mention, I am hungry. I did have some strawberries too. But after I captured how pretty they were and looked on the plate, honey, I scarfed those down. So strawberries gone. They were so good and sweet. Shout out to our Ty for the strawberries because they are delicious. I can't remember where you say you got them from. Was it somewhere down in Walnut Cove?
I'm so ready.
I can't remember. But thank you. They are absolutely delicious. Y'all, here he come. I had, baby, I'm on a stricter time schedule.
I'm ready. Hey, everybody. How y'all doing? Hey, guys. I'm going to tell y'all something about this new thing that we're doing. Okay. Now I'm like the meat-eating rabbit now because we can eat meat. But you know what I figured out?
I was talking.
I'm sorry. I was looking at a good movie, but I said I got to come and eat. So, but this is what I found out. You remember when you was younger and they had the okay, there you go. The 4 food groups, and it was a starch, a vegetable, a meat, and a bread. Yeah, so it was 3. I figured out those things work best together because first I was like the tall rabbit, and all I was just eating was like greens. No, a vegetable. That'll be the greens.
Yeah, the lettuce.
Yeah, so all I'm doing is eating the tall rabbit food. I didn't like that. And so I was like, I can't wait till I get to the meat. So now I'm at the meat. You know, it's okay, but it's like...
We miss our grits this morning.
Yeah, I miss grits, and I miss like the starchy foods, like not a lot of it, but like a portion of rice, mac and cheese, pasta, you know, these type of things. And this is like, it's like the frustrating, how can I frustrate you to death? It's like giving you the peanut butter and you can't have jelly. As a matter of fact, there's some jelly, there's jelly that they make, baby, that can help us. Some non-sweet jelly.
We don't want it if it's not sweet.
But baby, I don't care. It's the optics. I'm just trying to get a sandwich. You can't eat bread. Look.
Well, honey, we're just doing this for the first 30 days. At the end of
this been 30 months, Donna. This has been 30 months, and
but we'll be able to incorporate in moderation, like the rice and the pasta.
I can moderate it now if they let me moderate it.
No,
let me moderate it.
Yeah, we said we were going to do this for 30 days.
Who said this? When did I agree to this? Was I asleep? Was I hungry? Because when you're hungry, your metabolism don't line up right, and so you don't think straight. So was I hungry?
No, go get your food so you can come back and talk to the family while you're eating.
Oh, okay. I'll be back, y'all. Ooh, there's a lot of it, too. I'm going to eat as much of it as possible.
Well, it's for today and tomorrow.
For who?
What you mean for who, babe?
Who is it for today and tomorrow?
That way you can, it's for us. That way you can have a little something in the morning, too.
I'm used to getting a muffin in the morning, a muffin and some.
Y'all.
Sometimes
him and his high energy in the mornings.
I'm doing my best under the circumstances which I'm facing down. Look, I'm telling you, my hemoglobin is lower than it usually is.
Babe, eat those last little strawberries right there by the sink that I sliced. They are so good. But y'all, these 2 weeks have been quite interesting. That's my this is my, I'm calling it my meat lovers omelet. It has sausage in it, Canadian bacon, and regular bacon. And then the sweet bell peppers and the onions. Now, when I do my omelets, you guys, I don't like doing them. You know how the regular. The regular omelet, where, you know, you fix it and you kind of fold it in half. I don't necessarily do mine like that. I just like to fix them like I fix my regular scrambled eggs with all the extra stuff in it and just kind of move it around and flip it over because I want to make sure everything inside there, like we don't do runny eggs, so I need it completely done. But and you really, when you fix omelets like that, you have to have patience letting it really cook, and you can't mess with it until it's really time to flip it or fold it over. Listen, I don't be doing all that. I just mix it up like my regular scrambled eggs. And right now we're also not doing dairy, so we're not doing cheese on the omelet, but it's still good.
That problem's just like something. You don't pay for something. You ever buy something and you put it together and you come to find out they don't left out something out of the pack and you just upset because you wanted to get this thing done. Well, this how this tastes. This is good, you paid for it, but ain't no cheese in there. And you know it ain't in there. And it's just trying to fool your taste buds into believing everything is okay. It looks okay. It looks okay. I can tell there is no cheese. You let me wait. You wait, guys. When this 30 days is over, I'm going to whoop some cow tail. He going to give up everything. The cheese, the dairy, the milk. I want it all.
In moderation.
Moderation. Moderation. Just let me moderate it. Tell you what, it's missing cheese, but this is so good. Guys, listen. It's been a while since I've been with y'all, but we've been doing this thing, and I'm telling you, it just makes me want to get some taller socks.
Some taller socks. Wow.
No, man, I told you. My hemoglobin low.
Y'all, he's not checking his blood sugar levels like I am. Oh my goodness.
So,
Aren't the strawberries good, baby?
yeah, so I'm ahead of everything, guys.
Answer that like you mean it. Aren't the strawberries good, baby?
Yes,
It's just sometimes you said, yeah, you just kept going.
So, I got it. This day is loud now. Look at this guy. So, my yard work, all of it's done. I retained the yard. I went back. It was an all-out brawl, but we got the yard back. Yard work's done. Vehicles detailed and cleaned up. Don't have to worry about that. Maintenance to the self, all taken care of. The rest of my day belongs to Miss Donna. Whatever it is she wants to do.
You're done with your day, but I have things I need to do, so I'm not there.
I'll tell y'all what. I'm telling you, I miss pancakes.
They don't talk about, would you stop?
I'm just saying.
Everybody needs to know they can do this if they want to do it, and you're not helping. Stop complaining about what we're not eating right now.
Donna, I can do a lot of things through Christ who strengthens me, but right now, he ain't strengthening me for this, Donna.
He is strengthening you.
Donna, I'm telling you, I ain't receiving strength, Donna. I'm not. I miss pancakes.
You need to change your mindset.
My mind is set to
It's mind over matter. You need to change your mindset.
I matter what my mind is not. I'm telling you, guys, those grits was really good. She cleans them so well. And so the grits, you guys, I just miss, it's like, hey guys, you can do this. You ain't gonna wanna do this, but you can do this.
But real talk, don't you feel bad? Like, how your back feeling?
My back feel like I need to be carrying some grits.
I cannot with you. Listen, that's not what you're supposed to be saying.
I want to try this meat lovers omelet with some dairy. I got a pig in here. I got, the only thing ain't in here is the cow. I'm just, people help me. something is not right going on right now.
Oh my G, you say you got a pig in here?
I got a pig in here. You see, I got bacon and sausage. Got a pig going on. I got a chicken in here. Got the egg. Listen, something missing off the farm. Help me.
You are crazy.
I can't do this no more. But I be
Well, we're not gonna talk to the family if you want to keep complaining.
I'm not complaining, family. I'm encouraging y'all. Please hurry up and get this one. Oh, my shoes tighter than they should be.
Why your shoes tighter?
My hemoglobin is low.
What's a hemoglobin?
There's something that's in your body that helps everything. Help me. Help me.
Ooh, Lord, it's a different kind of breakfast, ain't it, babe?
I want strawberry.
You know what? Babe, it's gonna be all right. Babe, you're not supposed to be acting like that.
Let them go, Donna. Just let them go.
Let them go.
Let them go,
You
Donna.
ain't supposed to act like that,
I know, babe. I just can't do no
You got
more.
to be strong.
Oh, weakness.
If I had known you were going to show out like this, I wouldn't have turned the camera on. I thought you was going to talk about something good.
I want to lick the syrup from my pancakes. I just licked the little bowl.
You licked a little bowl of what?
Syrup for my pancakes. I just need my hemoglobin is low.
Not your hemoglobin.
Whatever it is, I'm telling you, I'm losing brain cells. I say, help me, help me.
Well, baby, you can stop. You can stop.
I can do what?
You don't have to do this. I can do it. I can be.
I can't leave you alone, Donna. I can't leave you alone.
You are
I
crazy.
can't do it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I did not know you was gonna be whining like this.
Y'all people don't. For God's sake, people, make sure you know what you're doing.
Oh my goodness, babe, I'm going to turn off the video. You done done too much. Listen, I thought he was gonna be real encouraging to y'all, but y'all see he needs some press. Listen, y'all keep pressing.
I can't lie to y'all. I can't lie.
Listen, if you enjoyed the video, give
Look
it
at
a
the
thumbs.
noses.
Give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. He don't always act this bad all the time. So come on and join the family, okay? Hey, we didn't get to talk about nothing.
Pancakes first.
Oh, Lord. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Bye.
Bye. Babe. Oh, my goodness. It is not that bad.
We need a cow.
You done showed out on the video. I got to let the family go.
Please forgive me.
Oh, my goodness. No, you didn't.